Okay, today I want to show you how you can remove noise background from your video. So after you finish, recording your videos and you have so much noise background from your videos, I want to show you how you can remove them with a tool called Clipchamp. Clipchamp is an online software from Microsoft. So you can use it to edit your noise from your video. It's very easy. So let me show you how you can do this. So for us to have Clipchamp, if you're using Windows, just come to the Microsoft Store. Then go to search and search for Clipchamp. Okay, this is Clipchamp here. So you can get it. I'll show you because I already have. So now I'll close it and then open Clipchamp and show you how you can use it for and reduce your audio background. So Clipchamp is opening. Okay, this is Clipchamp. So when you come here, you go to create new video. Okay, then import your medium. Okay, this is the audio I want us to clean. The video I want us to clean the audio, so take it and hit open. Okay, you can grab it your timeline. So what we do here, click on the video and go to this audio sign. So when you come here, click on this detach audio. So what this is going to do, it is going to detach your audio from your video. So if you watch here now, this is now our video and this is our audio. And if you watch this video that has audio before, the audio has been muted. So and this is what we are going to use now as our audio. And this is what we are going to clean. So you click on the audio and come here again. Then click on this noise suppression. Then allow it. Just give it some time. Okay, it's loading item for your video. This will take long. So it's going to turn on this noise suppression so you can see that it's on. So that means this any noise background on this audio will be removed. Any noise background on this audio will be removed. I'm not going to play it here because of my internet connection. Because if you don't have a very powerful internet connection, you're not going to get the best of this Clipchamp. So I'm going to export it first. Then one good thing about this, you can when you come to export, you can export only the audio. You can just export audio only. So you cannot take it, just take export audio only. So our audio is being exported. So our audio has been exported. So you cannot take it to your any software can you are using offline edit your video. This is a very simple step and Clipchamp is a very powerful editing tool. The only disadvantage is that you need to be connected to an internet to use it. So I thank you for watching and always follow us for more content like this.